Now we can finally start building the website. Hostinger makes this super easy. First, we'll choose the type of website we want to build. Then we'll enter our brand name. And here we describe what our website is for and how we want it to look. I recommend being as specific as possible so that the Hostinger AI can create a first version that closely matches what you're looking for. I've tested a lot of different prompts, and here's the template that works the best for me. Start with a short description of your brand or business. Then describe the main goal of your website. For example, I'm creating a website for a surf photographer looking to get bookings through this website. And finally, describe the style you're going for. If you want to use any specific fonts for your headings and paragraphs, make sure to add them to the description as well, as it would be more difficult to change them later on. And under personalization settings, you can also add your brand colors, or you can choose a color palette that you like. But don't worry, we can always change our colors later on. Then just click Create a Website. Hostinger AI will now build the first draft of your website based on the info we have just entered. When that's done, you'll see a preview of the new website. The text, images, and videos you see act as placeholders, and in the next step, I'm going to show you how to replace those with your own content. But if you like what's already here, you can also keep it as it is. To check how your website looks on a mobile phone, click on the mobile phone icon at the top right. If you're not happy with the overall design or structure, you can always go back and create a new draft. Just click on Back to AI Form in the top left. Then adjust the description and click on Create a Website again. It can be helpful to recreate the website a few times to find the version that works the best for you.